Hi, my name's Linnea. Okay, anyways, I'm getting ready right now to go see my dad for like the last time this year. It's raining out and the plan is to get sushi. So yeah, we're going to do that. And then I have no idea what we're going to do after. Like usually my dad just takes me to like a random fun place. So yeah. I'm also doing my hair right now. Oh, oops. I'm doing like ow. I'm also doing this is what I was going to say. I'm doing 2 bows on 2 sides, and I already told you it's raining. I'm gonna put on like this hoodie thing that I got. It's actually really cute. And then yeah, oh my god, if I could do my hair, that would be like really helpful. Oh my god. I'm just gonna come back to you once I'm done with my hair. Yeah, I'm done with my hair. It's cute, right? Anyways, the plan is to do lip gloss, highlighter, and lip liner. That's it. Okay, I'm also gonna put on sunscreen. Even though there's no sun, I do it anyways because, yeah. I already did my skincare earlier. Like I washed my face in the shower and then I put moisturizer on and brushed my teeth after when I went out of the shower. So this is just like the last step, I guess. So yeah. Now the left, right. There was an ant. I thought it was a spider. I'm just going to do a time lapse of this, like putting on my makeup. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. It just broke. Oh my god. No. Wait, can I? Oh, it's fine. Oh, okay. Still in my boot from fracturing my ankle, sadly. But yeah, if you do have a boot, do a fuzzy sock. Just trust me, fuzzy socks will go too. My dad is here, so yay. Okay.
Little steps, baby steps.
Yeah. Okay.
You look really freaking cute.
Thank you. Okay.
Alright, have fun.
Okay, thank you. Bye, Mama. Whoa, you locked the gate.
I know you do.
How rude of you. Okay, bye.
Family purchase.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Hello.
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
Bye, Mama. Love you.
Love you too.
It's pouring. My camera's getting wet. Look how cool this is. Now I want one. It's cool. I want one of these. Look how cool. I want one of these. I will eventually, so you have to get one of those. Headphones. Hold on, I'm gonna try it on. Let's try it on. Whoa, I can't hear anything. Wait, can I play next track? Dua Lipa, what are you doing here?
Do you have a phone number with us? Yeah, 415.
1 hour later. it's not raining. Wow. So now it's not raining. Apparently. Wait, look how far the sky is. Yeah, okay. There we go. Let's go. It's so cold. My nose is so cold. Which drawer do you think is going to open? Oh, it's going to be that one. It's actually really hot. Look how cool that is. That is so cool. It's a lot of water pictures at the getting. Think about that. That cat looks like the cat from K-pop Demon Hunters. Oh no, it's not pretty though. Imagining waking up in the morning with like this huge door. Look, it's me. Oh wow. So pretty. Look how pretty. That's so cute. Okay, we are finally back from the museum, but we're finally back in the parking lot and we're going to this place called Sticker World and it's really cool, so future me editing this, it's called Sticker Planet and it's awesome. I love that place. We were just there. So pretty, so pretty. It's decorated Christmas everywhere. Oh my god. Started doing, yeah. It's like so bad. There we go. Not the random dinosaur on the roof. And it has sunglasses. Okay, I am officially back from home. I'm actually quite tired. But anyways, here's what I got. I got these really cute what are these flowers called? Oh my god, they're on my top of my head. But I got these flowers. These are like one of my favorite flowers. They're so cute. They remind me of a lot of the summer I turned pretty. So yeah, and then I got these really cute kawaii stickers. They're $4 for this. $4. Look, $4. And these are all the stickers that come with. And I'm like, holy crap, that's expensive. But if you don't know, I'm really into scrapbooking. This is like my second book, but this is like really old. Like this is like a really old book. Like I haven't like scrapbooked in like years. But I used to scrapbook a lot and it was so fun and I absolutely loved it. And yeah, it was really cool. This is like my favorite page. I remember loving this page. This one's in like so much. But these stickers are from Thailand actually. My best friend got me them and they're really cute. And here's I got another really cute stick pack. These ones have 32 pieces and 8 designs apparently. And this one has 12 designs and 36 pieces. So 36 stickers and 30. So these are my kawaii stickers, 2 of them. And then these sheets cost like 80 cents each. So I got this little Playfish little sticker and I thought it was really cute, so I got that. And then I love jellyfish a lot, so I got these really colorful jellyfish and they're really cute. I love them a lot. And then I got this sticker pack. I thought it was really funny. This cost $4. It's probably running up to $5, so this is $5 right here. But look cute, really cute and funny. And then these ones I think it also cost 80 cents. But just for the page, and the shiny stickers, really shiny and cute. I like this lighting from here, but they're really cute and I absolutely love it. And like the second I was like, I'm like, oh my god, look at that! Oh my god! We should totally get it. So I did. And then we got these cherry blossoms. I kind of want to make a cherry blossom case. It's like little cherry blossoms and it's so cute. And then I got these packs. A whole bunch of packs and I thought this was so cute. So I got this page of packs. And then I got these lilies. Lilies are my favorite flowers. So you can know, they're my absolutely favorite. And I love drawing them and all these things. So yeah. And I'm expecting, you might probably believe me with this. Oh, it's so excited to show you. Cost $31. Oh my god, I was like, at checkout, I was like, what? And my dad was like, yeah, those are way too much for these stickers. I'm like, you think? I honestly thought like all these stickers and all would like cost like $10. Because that's what I think stickers should cost, like $31. So like, but I found out it's very low. So yeah. Have an amazing day, or an amazing night, an amazing afternoon, or an amazing week, or an amazing year, or an amazing decade, or amazing century. Yeah. I'll see you at some point. Bye, you guys.